teams had gone undercover and unearthed a major criminal conspiracy, did you? A single 2014 operation managed to unearth 167 antennas, 155 repeaters, 71 computers, 166 solar panels and batteries, 3,000 radios and Nextel push-to-talk phones, 525,600 minutes, and of course 500 days of summer. These days, the Zetas are much less powerful, but are still operating, which means it's unlikely their network has been completely crippled. So if any Zetas are watching this video and are mad at me, I want you to know that my name is Devin Stone, I look like this, and any complaint should be directed to the comment section of my channel, Legal Eagle. If you want to reprogram communications infrastructure to serve your illegal drug cartel, the best place to learn how to do so is Brilliant, the problem-solving based website and app that helps you achieve your goals in STEM learning. If there's one thing I've learned about learning, it's that learning to learn doesn't have to be hard. That was confusing, but Brilliant is straightforward. It breaks down complex topics into easy-to-follow, bite-sized chunks that'll engage you with storytelling, coding, interactive challenges, and problems to solve. And if coding isn't your thing, you can learn to do a whole host of other stuff, like building neural networks, mastering machine learning, or even just brushing up on geometry. Even if you're a person tight for time, you can complete their daily challenges to learn a little bit every day in the small free moments of your day. So go to brilliant.org/HAI to sign up for free, plus the first 200 to sign up will get 20% off their annual membership.
I just came across this envelope. It was a prize that I got in the mail from Echo. Living your best life. And I obviously had lost it because it was from a pretty long time ago. Her and Yoda, some baseball cards. So I got, let's see if I can get the light on this better. Apparently not. So I got Ed Roush. Let's see what else I got. Minnie Minosa.
Shout out to Melinda, level 2 Buy Me a Coffee member. Y'all know she does her thing daily. Go check her out. Links in the chat.
And I had put these up so I wouldn't lose them, so I could get them into my card binder. But of course,
she lost them.
Slipped behind something. But I'm glad I found them. Thank y'all. Bye.
And content's just that easy, folks. Keep telling y'all, we just gonna monetize your life. Somebody gonna watch you, because people got time for that. Ain't no time for that.
13 of the top paying trades jobs in 2025. Does plumbing make the list? People always ask me, what are going to be the top paying trades jobs next year? And I hear it about this time every year. Well, we've put together a list. We've done some research, got the information, and we're going to give them to you from highest paying down to lowest paying. Number 1, elevator and escalators installers and repairmen. Now, these guys, they do make the most money. To be honest, I've talked to some of their people in their union. I think they may have some of the best benefits too. It's a great thing to do because what they do is they work on elevators, escalators, walkways, different things like this. They build them, they install them.
What up, Izzy? Good to see you. How you doing? Y'all know to go check out Izzy.
It's good,
she got something popping every
day.
day.
Money, and to be honest, to get in, you only need like a high school diploma, nothing major. The neat thing is, once you get in it, you've got the opportunity at an early retirement. But I gotta tell you, you got to be really good to get into their unions because they're very specific, very strict about the people they hire, because this is one of the best jobs in the trades that you can get, and it's not easy. But what kind of money can they make? Well, on the list that we found, the average, $102,420. Well,
see, 102,
probably because the elevators go up and down. They got to get really high to do their job. So that's not a bad living.
I like that tie, sir. I like that tie.